Leave.
But we've come such a long way.
Save your breath. You will need it to make your way back.
Just 1 second, please. It's really important. This watch.
If you don't want to cooperate, tell us where your apprentice is, you old watch wizard.
Apprentice?
I'll explain later. Trust me.
How naive you are! Do you feel like playing with us for a little? Like old times?
The invite would be nice if we weren't surrounded by 5 monsters and a freak with no way out.
Since when do you guys take orders from him?
Huh? Since you betrayed us!
You're wrong. I've always been faithful to our cause.
Do you really think I believe you?
Let's get out of here!
What's the Queen promised you? What kind of reward?
Get him!
Thanks, Bloom.
For now, I can hold out without transforming. I don't want to reveal my fairy nature.
Don't you get it? Together we can defeat her and free the world of dreams.
Get them both! The Queen wants them alive! Huh?
No.
I had forgotten about you, old man.
Get out of here! All of you, go away!
Huh? That's impossible!
Centuries-old oak tree, reinforced by clockwork. Let's see if you can get in.
Open up, old man!
I might be old, but I'm not crazy.